Now we got it. Now we are back in business. Covered it away. Yeah. I'll be one-handing it. One-handing it. Then you got your little battery terminal Greek stuff right here. That goes in there like so. This right here helps with the corrosion and stuff. There's your little battery install. And then we also have to put this thing back in there. This goes down in there like that. I don't know if I can do it one-handed or not. Quickest battery one-handed install I've ever seen. Seriously. Now I like to put the grease on top of here too.
I appreciate it very much.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm a content creator, so I make videos. Alright, you want to start it up? What y'all think about that? That quick little one-handed install. Oh shit, I gotta fix this thing though. It's alright, I ain't worried about all that. Yeah, start it up. Oh, looky there, she running good. That's how you do that, y'all. That's how you do that. You can leave it started if you're ready. Like, share, subscribe.